Hi, outside is a little bit cold weather and windy condition, so this intro will be again in car. Today movie will be with a big huge carbon Z-Cub 2.2 meters wingspan, but mostly about controlling of those control of this model, because maybe you remember in this carbon Z-Cub and in many E-Flite models is spectrum receiver with in-flight in-body stabilization. So if you want to use this spectrum receiver and spectrum system, of course you need spectrum transmitter, or if you have, for example, FrSky Taranis, or you can buy orange spectrum transmitter module. It supports DSM to DSMX, and this spectrum orange this is not spectrum, this is orange DSM module, transmitter module, you can put on a backside, on backport, on a backside of Taranis, and you can just fly with your models with spectrum receivers without any problems, and what is nice, without a second transmitter. So only two, maybe small I don't know if it is bug. Yes, just you are with back module, orange module, you are without the telemetry, because telemetry is support for telemetry is only for internal module or external module, but this module must be XJT by FrSky. Yes, and if you use this only this back module XJT, you have telemetry support same like with internal XJT module. If you use both modules, XJT, internal and external, you have telemetry from internal modules. Yes. But this module is without the telemetry support, so of course you can use it, but without telemetry functions. I think it's clear. You can set in each model, you can set if you will use for this each model internal module, external module, both of them, or nothing for a simulator, for example. So it's here in screen, on screen 2 from 12. Here, internal RF off, because it's not any purpose for use of internal module if you use this external. And external RF mode you can use off. You can use you can switch off this module, both modules in this case, or standard ppm, XJT. How I say, this is for XJT FrSky module with telemetry support if only this back module is on, and that's DSM2 mode, but I will use standard ppm. So you just make a bin procedure, standard bin procedure for spectrum transmitters and receivers, and how I say, you can just use model with spectrum receivers with FrSky with orange transmitter module without any problems. Of course, not only with Taranis, with, I don't know, Turni GT9X, XAR, etc. If you will switch on this external module, maybe you can hear a little sound, little brum in a speaker, but this is only small. I think it's not problem. Just small sound you can hear. Okay, I will complete Z-Cub, prepare for flight, and I will make some flying. Only standard flying without any big Airbus, only flying over this field, because I'm now working on a small steam engines, so I am without flying for maybe 2 weeks. So let's go. One important thing, this plane could have a big flutter problem, big noise when you pull throttle up in the air, not on the ground but in the air. You can hear a really strong and ugly sound, and probably, or not probably, definitely big reason for this sound is this plastic white cover for landing gear. Now it is without this plastic covers or plastic parts, and these plastic parts really make a big part of this ugly sound. I think maybe next time flutter this sound make just tires on landing gear.
Welcome to OpenTX.
So carbon Z-Cub flies very nice in this windy condition too, without any problems. We know that this is normal. This is really nice, big, huge airplane, but these horrible vibrations are here again, and I don't know what it makes. This is task for owner of this model, and I think he will find it, because he's RSIM pilot with many experiences. But I think maybe first step could be change all metal adjust parts with standard screws, and maybe try different tires. I don't know, but this is standard carbon Z-Cub with standard setup without any changes, and I think this problem with vibrations maybe should be problem for many others modelers. So maybe I will find on Google, and maybe I will find solution just on Google. So, but again, carbon Z-Cub is just big airplane. Big airplanes are perfect. And about spectrum or orange for spectrum DSM module in Taranis, just without any problems. Nothing to say, just it works. So thanks for watching, and have a nice day.